High Peak Autos is a popular automotive YouTube channel that specializes in the restoration and modification of classic cars. The channel has gained a significant following due to its high-quality content and unique approach to car restoration. In this article, we will explore the net worth and investments of High Peak Autos. Net worth of High Peak Autos. The net worth of High Peak Autos is estimated to be around $2 million. This estimate is based on the channel's revenue from YouTube ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and other business ventures. The channel's revenue is expected to continue to grow as its subscriber base continues to expand. Investments of High Peak Autos. High Peak Autos has invested in various business ventures to diversify its revenue streams and expand its brand. Some of the notable investments include merchandise sales. High Peak Autos sells merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, and stickers through its online store. The merchandise is a significant source of revenue for the channel and has helped to establish its brand. Sponsorships. High Peak Autos has collaborated with various brands to promote their products and services. The channel has partnered with companies such as Meguiar's, Turtle Wax, and Optima Batteries, among others. Classic car restoration. High Peak Autos has restored and modified several classic cars, which it has then sold for a profit. The channel's expertise in classic car restoration has made it a go-to destination for enthusiasts looking to restore or modify their cars. YouTube ad revenue. High Peak Autos earns revenue from ads that are displayed on its videos. The channel's high viewership and engagement rates have made it an attractive platform for advertisers. Patreon. High Peak Autos has a Patreon account where fans can support the channel by making a monthly contribution. The channel offers various perks to its Patreon supporters, such as exclusive behind-the-scenes content and early access to videos. Future investments. High Peak Autos is expected to continue investing in new ventures to expand its revenue streams and brand. Some of the future investments that the channel could make include expanding its merchandise line. High Peak Autos could expand its merchandise line to include more products such as car parts, accessories, and tools. This would enable the channel to cater to a broader range of customers and increase its revenue. Investing in a physical location. High Peak Autos could invest in a physical location where it can carry out its restoration and modification projects. This would provide the channel with more space and resources to work on more significant projects. Collaborating with other YouTube channels. High Peak Autos could collaborate with other automotive YouTube channels to create joint content. This would enable the channel to reach new audiences and increase its subscriber base. Conclusion. High Peak Autos is a successful YouTube channel that has established itself as a leading destination for classic car restoration and modification. The channel's net worth of $2 million is a testament to its popularity and success. By investing in various business ventures, High Peak Autos has been able to diversify its revenue streams and expand its brand. With a loyal fan base and a talented team, High Peak Autos is expected to continue growing and investing in new ventures in the future.